Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites: Burp Suite, the proxy CA, and the browser extension. First, import Burp CA into the browser trust store so TLS intercept works. Next, set the browser proxy to 127.0.0.1.8080 or the port you set in Burp, and ensure no other system proxy overrides it. Once done, disable Proxy Auto Detect and clear the browser cache. Make sure the extension is enabled and that Burp's proxy listener is active before moving on. Now you focus on connection details and why pages fail. Open Burp proxy options and confirm an active listener bound to the interface you expect. Change to all interfaces only if required. If TLS errors appear, temporarily disable intercept so the page loads, then re-enable to capture. Inspect the proxy history for status codes and WebSocket frames for handshake failures. Also check the browser console for mixed content or certificate errors. These clues tell you whether the issue is finished by applying fixes indicated from diagnostics. If cert errors persist, reinstall Burp CA into the OS and browser trust stores and restart both Burp and the browser. If connections are blocked, allow Burp Suite through firewall or antivirus and confirm localhost traffic is permitted. Once done, test with intercept on for a single request, then off for normal browsing. If problems persist, create a clean browser profile or use a portable browser to isolate extensions. This quick isolation step often reveals the culprit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.